very young age, may ganitong klase na siyang achieve. Is that right?
I feel very happy for her because it has been her ambition to sing and to have an album. Actually, I really didn't have any plan for her to launch this album because it's just a birthday gift for her, and I think she's happy about it. And I think we would really want it to continue now singing because I think it's the first love of hers.
Okay. So having said that, Ernest, saan mo nakuha yung engagement with the singer? Maybe
Wala naman. Actually, pagka nakakarinig lang siya ng magandang sound sa radio, alam mo yung mga teenager, inahan niya. And one time, I heard her singing. Sabi ko, may boses ka pala. And she just smiled at me. Bakit ikaw gusto mo bang kumanta? Sabi ko, hindi, wala akong alam dyan. I really love to sing. Alam mo naman yung singing, ayaw sa akin eh. But I really like music because I also play the piano. And yun, sometimes she would sit on my lap habang nagpagkanta ako. And yan, kumakanta siya. So, yun, that started yung kanyang ambition to sing.
as a father, how do you support her?
Totally I support her. She's the only daughter that I have. And matalino siya and she indulges in all kinds of sports. Actually, nagulat ako eh. One time she told me that he's the captain of a basketball team. By the way, she studied at San Pera. She also does the ballet. She also is a athletic swimmer. And lately, she wanted to play the piano, so she's now learning to play the piano. So she's also indulged in cheerleading competitions. So talagang very active siya. So I really encourage her kasi alam mo naman ang mga kabataan ngayon to develop that confidence, to develop that trust in herself. And palagay ko naman she would be very successful.
So sir, last, do you have any message sa ating mga fellow youth like her or even to your daughter?
Okay, there are three reasons why we launched this album. Number one, she really loved to sing, and this is her birthday gift from her dad and from her family. Second, this is a contribution to the OPM, the Filipino composers and the Filipino writers. Palagay ko right now kulang eh, di ba? At thirdly, alam niyo naman ang panahon ngayon, medyo magulo. Ay karamihan ng kanta na ginagawa ngayon eh, ingay, very tragic, birita ng biritan. So sabi ko, bakit hindi natin ibalik yung panahon nila Sharon Cuneta? Na at least alam nyo kasi yung music eh, nakaka-affect yan sa emotions ng tao eh. So, ilagay na natin sa suite natin, sa mga beautify songs na talagang makakapag-relax, very teenager, at saka very raw siya. Hindi ko naman sana pwedeng i-compare sa ating mga great singers today. But doon mo makikita how raw, how angelic, at saka how beautiful she sings. So I hope that the public would support her for her dreams. If they could buy records. Yung family ko nakabili na ng 100 records. Kailangan na lang namin ng 9,900 para makakuha.
Konti na lang, Colonel.
So that's it. So I hope you would enjoy the launching and of course, magbuhay sa Filipino music.
Maraming salamat. Thank you very much.
Okay, before anything else, I would like to thank each and every one of you for coming today for the 16th birthday of my only daughter, Hannah, and of course the launching of her album, Next Band. So this would not have happened if you have not supported them. So from the bottom of my heart and from the Nolasco family, mahal namin kayo lahat, and I hope that you will enjoy tonight's show. Before we start the program, I would like to thank specifically certain VIPs that we have today, although na-mention na natin sa kanila earlier this morning. Of course, the three big entertainment editors of our newspaper, Ms. Crispina Belen, Mr. Ricky Lo, and of course, Ms. Emma Velarde, and of course, all the channels and TV, radio, basing her. But she sings from her soul. Ang boses na Angelic at saka Ro, sabi niya sa akin pa, ayaw ko ng mga kantang pipilit kasi I really wanted some song na mga suits ni Sharon Cuneta, ng mga Cupido. So sabi niya, alam ko, pag yan ang kinakanta lahat ng Pilipino, ay gumagaan ang loob. At talaga ito, this is what we need. Actually, I hope that you will enjoy the music. I hope you would buy her records. Ang family po, bumili na ho ng 100 records, 100 para maka-gold. Yan. At saka 19,900 para maka-platinum. Palagay ko sa tulong ng ating mga newspaper man, TV at saka radio. And of course, Mr. Herman Moreno. Nakalimutan ko pala si Mr. John Knight. I hope he's here. Darating din pala niya at naging isama din po siya. Nalaban po siya sa Malaysia to raise it, but I hope that she will win the crown for us. So once again, to everybody, maraming salamat sa inyo.
Happy 60th birthday, Hannah! This one for you. Ano po? Kamutin yata yung music ko. Ako tayo. Hello. Sabi kasi nila mga 2 times lang yung mga songs mo eh. So parang ganun lang yung mga songs na pinipare ko for you. Hope you like it. Sing with me, okay?
Iba'y mayroon sa puso ko. Bawat araw sinusundan, hindi ka naman tumigil. pinapansin. Bakit anong aking gawin? Di mo pinapansin. Kailan hahaplusin ang pusong bituin? Kahit anong aking gawin, di mo pa rin pansin.
Thank you, and once again, happy 60th birthday.
Thank you so much. May we request the Nolasco family to please join us here. Once again, we would like to request the Nolasco and Llanos family to please join us here as we sing the happy birthday song. Everyone, let's sing the happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Let's hold the touch for a moment. Hannah will make a silent wish. You may now blow your candle.
Thank you. Kulang ata sa energy ang ating audience. Pwede ba ako sumigaw ng wala? No. Dahil sa pakikinig, gawin nating masayang-masaya ang araw nito para sa kanya. And I believe, being siyempre, the father, 16 years old pa lamang, siguro lalong ingrande ito pagdating ng 18. Siguro, magkikita-kita tayo muli, ano? At lalo tayong mabata. Siya lamang darating sa edad na 18. Bato, laki-laki ka dahil nadadama ko at nadadama mo rin siguro ang mainit na pagmamahal ng iyong parents. Dahil bihira na sa and patadama naman namin na yung katulad ng sinimulan ni Kuya Germs na binusak ko pintuan para sa pagpapahalaga tayo ay mga at ganoon din ang pagsila ng mga legal babies at siyempre akataan kita pero wala akong dalang -1. Ano lamang ito? Ginagawa ko ito dahil
wala nang ibang hiling kundi ikaw lamang ngayon at kailanman. Dahil sa'yo
ako'y lumikha. Pagmamahal ay alayan ka, kung tunay man ako ay alipinin mo ang lahat sa buhay ko dahil sa'yo. Yun po. Salamat po. And narinig ko sa hapong to ang tinagurian ko Prince sa walang tulugan, Jake Vargas.
This is a birthday para sa iyo. Hello po. Ito ka naman sa iyong mata, nagsasabing ikaw isa. Di ba tayo? Pipilit kong sabihin, ngunit di magawa. Sa halip gusto tuwing makikita ka. Stage na lang. Ang dami na kaya, oops, pinagmamahal pa sa hindi, ganito lang yun eh. Kung may trust kayo sa sarili nyo, di ba? Dapat unang-unang trust sa sarili.
Huwag muna.
Nag-aawitan pa ni Jake na isa
isa
pa.
ba?
Oo, isa pa, oo. So, isa pa. Oo.
Is it you and me? And all of the people nothing to do. Back in the room, and it's you and me. And all of the people, all of the things that I wanna say, just say it right.
yung Tagalog na talagang madamdamin. Okay?
Ano ba meron dyan?
At ito Rolly, yung ano, Ana. So again, thank you very much. Happy birthday. May God bless you. At hintayin namin ang invitation mo sa iyong
Mga tampuhan at nanikilang ang pagmamahal. Best man, Batman, Superman, ang puso ko'y sa'yo sumena. Best man, Batman, Superman, ang ang inaasahan. Best man, Batman, Superman, sa'yo tumawid at inaman. Simula sa kalukuhan, walang palisinan at kalmahan. Pakipot ngunit may gusto naman. Sunod na ay mga kulitan, mababaw na mga lampuhan at nanikilang ang kamamahan. Best man, Batman, Superman, ang puso ko'y sa'yo sumenta. Best man, Batman, Superman, ang inaasahan. Best man, Batman, Superman, sa'yo tumawid at pinaman. Wish ka lamang sana, Mr. Kumina. Para sa'kin ang puso niya'y panain mo. Best man, Batman, Superman, ang puso ko'y sa'yo sumenta. Best man, Batman, Superman, ang inaasahan. Best man, Batman, Superman, sa'yo tumawid at pag-ibig po, yung kantang kong yun is about teenage love na parang sobrang in love na nag-promise siya dun sa guy na mamahalin niya ng sobra, gano'n. Wala. Okay, itong song na to na susunod kong kakantahin is In Love, yung kasali ng puso. Ikaw lang naman ang tanda mo pang kakaiba. Bawat sandali
your dance. I can make you famous on Instagram. Your booty like too good. Go ahead and go hands up. Oh, I can't stand it. 'Cause you know what to do with that fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Just a little bit.
Thanks, man. Ikaw lamang ang tanging kong iniisip, ang lagi kong panaginip. Tayo dalawa ay lagi magmamahalan. Pangarap ko na kailan may di maglaho ang pag-ibig kong ito, pagkat hindi ko makakaya mawalay sa iyo. Ikaw naman ang buhay ko, sana naman pakinggan mo ang puso ko na mayroong sinasabi. Ikaw lamang ang tangi kong minamahal, ang lagi kong inasal. Sana'y habang buhay tayong magkasama. Ang
Hello, sexy ang pati mo. Nahihiya tuloy ang isang prinsesa mo. Ang iisang prinsesa mo. Kahit alam kong wala, diskarte mo'y sakay ko na. Lima kong natatawa. Ang iyong mga pakwela, nang kakwenta-kwenta, ngayon'y hinahanap-hanap. sobra po yung pagmamahal ko for you. And thank you rin po sa lahat-lahat. Thanks.
presentation and looking forward for your 18th debut birthday.
It had to be you. It had to be you. I wandered around to finally found somebody
say the truth could make me be blue, or even be glad just to be sad thinking of you. Some others I've seen might never be me, might never be cross, trying to be boss. They wouldn't do, but nobody else gave me a friend. With all your faults, I love you still. It had to be you, wonderful you, and you. How are you, mommy?
Hindi ka pa namin kilala. Lahat ng mga viewers, pwede mo kayo kilala sa amin.
Si Ana Nolasco po is sister babae na sa Bedo. Tapos, kasama ko po, 40 years old po, and 15 years old po siya. Pero ngayon po, 16 years old na po siya, and nagkakaroon na po sila ng
Ano background mo? Nag-TV
nagbatang po ako nagsimulis sa London mo. Tapos pinag-graduate.
Yes.
Only child. So, parang dream come true.
Hannah, how do you intend to promote your album? Do you have mall tours or any?
Magkakaroon daw po ako ng mall tours and school tours.
When did you exactly learn that you have the potential of singing?
Siguro po mga bata po po ako na yung nag-aaral po ako sa 7th.
Bakit yung mga song mo parang yung pagka-novel? Ito ba po?
Pinakita po sa akin na tapos nagustuhan ko naman po kaya tsaka po medyo pang teenagers na Apo.
Nakaka-relate ka ba doon sa mga kanta?
Meron po, for me.
Like, meron ka na ba?
Okay na sa daddy.
Really po.
Sino ka idol mo siya?
Si Sarah Heron.
Sino naman po? So, ano yung nag-feel mo sa
Kasi Si Daddy po nakaisip kasi po, dapat nga po hindi po ako magsa-celebrate na yung 16th. Kasi po yung gusto ko lang po yung with friends, gano'n. Pero hindi ko rin po na-expect na magiging ganito po yun. Yung siguro po yung mga boys, ganyan po. Tapos minsan sa kasi po dati, yung bata po, medyo po tinuturuan po ako mag-commute. Pero po nung palaki po, padala po ako ng padala ko. Hindi na po. Kasi po, marami na po nangyayari.
Last na lang, meron ka.
Sa totoo lang, bilang isa ka may mag-iiling ka pa.
Tanong mo na, 4 minutes na.
Wait lang, huwag mo muna i-roll. Pag nagtanong.
Siguro po,